Okay, to start, you're going to need your two colors. You're going to cut them 2 inches by whatever width you want for your straps. If it's a crossbody strap, could be 54 inches or whatever you want your handbag or shoulder bag straps to be. Mark a 1-inch line down the center of both of the colors. So what we're doing here is making just one strap. And down the second colored piece as well. Now these straps we are making with raw edges, so you will need 1-inch strap ends for the opposite side or whatever width you are going to be making these. Okay, so you're going to take off your double-sided tape and fold the long edges of these into that center line, just like we do whenever we make handbag straps. Now if you wanted to make this a 1.5-inch strap, you would cut these pieces to let's see, 3 inches rather than 2 inches wide, but we are just going to do 1-inch straps here. If you don't want to use double-sided tape, you can definitely try to get these to go with clips. It's just a lot easier with double-sided tape. If you're doing this in cotton, you can definitely just press the seams into the center. And then finally the last side. All right, so now that that's done, we are going to take some more double-sided tape and we're going to put it down the center of one of our pieces on the wrong side. I'm using 3/8 of an inch double-sided tape here. Actually, that may be 1/2 inch double-sided tape, I think it is. All right, then you are going to take the 2 pieces we just did and put the wrong sides together. You want to make sure that we keep them as even as possible. Now it looks like it's going to be thick, but really it's no thicker than when we do the double fold handles, when we fold them into the center and then again upon themselves. It's the exact same thickness. It's just giving a nice effect of 2 colors on opposite sides. Okay, and then we are going to stitch this all the way around with the top stitch of 1/8 of an inch. I like to stitch the short raw edges just because it compresses it a little bit for when we put it into our strap end. And that is one strap done there. Easy peasy. You do the same with the other strap if you were doing 2 straps. Or prep it just like you would any other crossbody if you're doing a crossbody. And then just add on your strap ends to finish off those raw edges and we're done.